All right. Hi guys. This is John P, your Mr. Wise Investor. Always ang ka-discard trader mo sa investing na easy para sa mga taong busy. So, eto guys. Gumagawa lang ako ng video because mayroon akong gustong ikwento. Eto saan ito. So, last March, may nakilala ako. Nag-seminar kami sa Singapore. Diretso na ako dito guys ha. Wala na akong paligoy-ligo pa. I hope you're all doing great. Kasi sobrang excited ko dahil last March, nagpunta kami ng Singapore. Nag-seminar kami nila Sir Lloyd about Izanagi and shadow technique, no? And out of the 70 na mga pumunta, 70 or 80 na nag-stock kami doon, ayan, on the picture, there was this guy at the back. Actually, I'm really grateful about this guy because una, pinarent niya sa amin yung studio niya at a very, very low cost. So, nirent namin yung studio na to for a few hours for the seminar and then a lot of OFW pumunta. And then, so hindi siya supposedly part ng community. So, iniano lang siya nirent talaga. Tapos nakinig talaga siya doon sa seminar. And to cut the long story short, after the seminar, nakita niya yung potential ng shadow technique. And you know why, guys? After 3 months doing the shadow technique, hindi pa siya marunong mag-trader. Hindi siya magaling, hindi siya as expert sa technical analysis. Bago lang talaga. He is now already part of the 100 millionaires this year. Napapunta mga millionaires. Look at that. So, 1 million. He messaged me today. Sabi niya, 1 million sir, TY sa Shadow 3.0 at day 80. Yan yung account niya. Papansinin nyo guys. So, total gains of $19,082. So, ngayon kasi, ang USD ngayon nasa 58, di ba? 58 times 19,082. 1.1 million pesos. So, congratulations, Mark. Paano mo ito nagawa? Siguro dahil you had that desire, tapos talagang gagawin ko to. Magiging millionaire ako. Doon sa mga kinuwento mo, para magiging Art Santos ako, magiging Alabaw ako, magiging lahat ng kinuwento namin during that time. He was so inspired. He himself tried it and ginawa niya. And now he's part of the millionaire circle. Sabi ko nga dito, wow, Mark, we just met no March sa SG, now 1 million gains in 3 months. Sabi niya, buti nga na lang, open-minded siya nung sinunod yung gut feeling niya. Nakita niya, okay tong Izanagi So, is so grateful. Alam mo, next target niya, I was talking to him kanina this morning, $50 million. Sabi niya, kung kaya kong maging 1 million pesos in 3 months doing this technique, I can have a dream of $1 million or 50 million pesos. Sabi ko, wow. I was so inspired with this man. Paano niya, yung mindset niya na kaya kong gawin, sisimulan ko to. And now he is here. Now he made it at 1 million. Kung nagawa niya yung 1 million na yon, bakit hindi niya kayang gawin? Papapunta ng 50 million. And I was so moved by that. Na-inspired din ako doon, guys. Kasi, yung goal niya on there is while he's exploring, sinusunod niya yung parameters, while he's creating his own, pinag-aralan talaga niya, napakasimpleng technique, pinag-aralan pa niya, and now he's there. 1 million pesos, 1.1 million pesos. His next target from 1.1 diretso to 50 million. Ganun katindi, guys. So I was so moved by that. So if you can learn something from this video, yung desire tsaka yung goal-oriented niya na pagkatao. So again, congrats, Mark. Congrats, Mark. So for those first time panonood, what is shadow technique? Shadow technique, guys, meron akong video about that sa comments on this section. Ilalagay dyan what is shadow technique. It's a simplified technique talaga, really suited for newbies, na assisted kasi yan ng robot. So yung trades mo, i-assist ka ng robot, tuturuan ka ng robot paano mag-trade, sasabayan mo siya. Sasabayan mo lang siya. And then I have a 30-minute seminar about that. I'll put it on the comment section para makita nyo how powerful shadow technique is, what's the edge of shadow technique, and how will it impact you to become the next millionaire just like Mark. Now, the question is, may bayad ba to? Libre lang po ito because our goal is to create at least 100 millionaires this year. And I hope you'll be part of that. I hope ikaw yung magiging next na magiging milyonaryo katulad ni Mark. Ang goal lang talaga nito guys is mag-create ka ng account. Visit ka lang sa shadowtechniquefx.com. Create ka ng account. Lagyan mo ng $500. Learn how to trade this. Ikaw na bahala. May mga video dos kompleto. Then, once you're there, let the magic happens. Discover yourself. Tignan mo how it works. Gawa ka ng sarili mong technique, how you approach shadow technique with risk management as the ultimate goal. Then, you'll be surprised. You'll be probably like Mark na hindi pa marunong mag-trade. In-assist lang siya ng robot, tinuruan siya ng robot, then he's now part of the millionaire circle. So, with that very, very short video, this video is really for Mark. Congratulations, Mark, for achieving your first million. And syempre, gusto din natin ihabol kasi kasabay ni Mark, may nag-message din kay Sir Lloyd. So, his name is Brian. Look at this, guys. No? Happy siya because yung ginawa niya sa shadow technique, $500,000 pesos. Tingnan mo yung gain, no? On that few trades, no? Yung last, ito, kinulose niya to ng 618. Look at that. Look at the gains. Almost $500,000 pesos. So, guys, marami na, wag ka ma-FOMO. The point is, itry mo to. Itry mo to. Mukhang mawawala sa'yo. So, again, guys, this is John P., your Mr. Wise Investor. Always ang ka-discard trader mo sa investing na easy para sa mga taong busy. Our heart and goal is to make trading easy. Bye!